Welcome. Let us devote this session to consolidate the values of our initiation's lessons 1 to 9. The initiation for the Vedic system is having its initial value as Devanagari Varanamala. One shall begin with Devanagari Varanamala. The formulation Devanagari Varanamala is availing the letters of this very alphabet, and the total TC value of the formulation Devanagari Varanamala is 77. Its vowels lead to value 145, Anthastha letters lead to value 16, Ushmana letters give rise to value 20, and the Yama letters give rise to value 100. The total TC value of Devanagari Varnamala and its 50 letters comes to be 383. This value 383 in its composition is having value 8 at its middle, which also is a TC value of Triya. Therefore, this reach, this feature, this value of 383 as the total TC value of the Devanagari Varnamala formulation together with its 50 letters is the real bliss, the first blissful value at which we reach in terms of the Devanagari Varnamala is 383, and further we know that 383 is 283 plus 100, and 283 is the value of the letters, total letters of 16 Ganita Sutras. This way we shall keep in mind that Devanagari Varnamala is letters alphabet, but it is inherently organized for its transition into numbers alphabet. Transition from letters alphabet to numbers alphabet is the first step, is the first initiation attainment. Initiation is to be with Devanagari Varnamala, and attainment is to be of transition from the letters alphabet format to its numbers alphabet format. Once we shall be having complete imbibing of this feature, then the second step of the initiation will be that let us keep in mind that 16 Ganita Sutras are having gaps. There are gaps between first Ganita Sutra and second Ganita Sutra, likewise between Ganita Sutra 2 and Ganita Sutra 3. It is like we are having a discrete 16 bricks, 16 balls, 16 points. The organization of 16 points, discrete points, has its gaps. For a continuity, we have to bridge these gaps. And these gaps, the mathematical domains gaps of 16 Ganita Sutras are bridged by the mathematical domains of 13 Ganita Sutras. 16 Ganita Sutras are complete system in themselves. 13 Ganita Sutras as well are complete system in themselves. And both, when get integrated, they make a Vedic system. Therefore, the second step of initiation is of the value that we shall reach at consolidated, integrated format of sutras and upsutras, and this is of a unique organization, and this unique organization of 19 steps deserves to be glimpsed and to be imbibed as it is. It is on the screen of the computer, and it is Ganita Sutra 1 to Ganita Sutra 7 that there is sequential bridging in terms of Ganita Sutras 1 to 7. However, the gap between Ganita Sutra 8 and Ganita Sutra 9 is bridged of its own as Ganita Sutra 8 Purana Purana Bhyam as well as Ganita Sutra 9 Chalna Kalna Bhyam. Both are of 16 letters texts. The value 16 has a feature as 2 raised per 4, and the same also is having equal to 4 raised per 2. It is this vertical reflection pairing as 2 raised per 4 and 4 raised per 2 which marks its presence and brings in inherent bridging feature. Likewise, Ganita Sutra 15 and 16 as well are texts of 16 letters each, and their gap as well stands bridged of its own. However, the gap between Ganita Sutra 14 and 15, when is bridged by Ganita Upsutra 13, and Ganita Upsutra 13 is a text of Gunit Samuchaya Samuchaya Gunita of 32 letters text. So we have to keep in mind, we have to glimpse it. We shall sit comfortably and to permit our transcending mind to continuously remain in prolonged sitting of trance so that we can fully glimpse, we can completely imbibe, we can have a full insight, we can have an appropriate enlightenment of the Vedic system of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras having their inbuilt mechanism of a integrated format. Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upsutras are complete systems in themselves. However, both of them as well get integrated and make an integrated format. Let us have a pause. Our first initiation step value has been of Devanagari Varnamala, and our second initiation value is as of the integrated format of the sutras and upsutras. A step ahead, we have to be face to face with the success of the Vedic system of having complete correlation between the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 1 to 16 and 18 yoga disciplines of the Gita. Ganita Sutras 1 to 16 and chapters 1 to 18 of Gita stand coordinated. There is a correlation. There is a interrelationship. There is interlocking. There is a bridging system which takes from the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras to the yoga disciplines domains of the Gita. It is not only a correspondence, it is not only a mapping. In fact, it is a setup of transfer of the structures. It, in fact, is the system of transmission of a content, how the content of mathematical domains stand transformed and transmitted in transformed form as values of the yoga disciplines. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to continuously remain in prolonged sittings of trance. there shall be repeated sittings so that one can have a complete printout of this correlation within one's mind. Once the transcending mind will be having a full printout of these correlations, then one will be having transition and transformation from the existing mental states to the next higher dimensional mental states. Ganita Sutra 1 is correlated with Gita chapter 3. This correlation of 1 with 3 is firstly as dimension and a domain. Secondly, it is in the form of one space having three geometries. There are three versions of Hypercube 1. It is the third version. It is the third geometry of one space which ultimately provides the unified foundation for the values of the pure values of mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 1 and that of the Karma Yoga. A step ahead, Ganita Sutra 2 stands correlated with chapter 5. It is Karam Sannyas Yoga. Value 2, when is correlated with the value 5, firstly it is a correlation of 5 versions of Hypercube 2 with 2 space. Secondly, it is of the format of 2 space being of 5 geometries range. It is the fifth version of Hypercube 2. It is the fifth geometry of 2 space which ultimately takes us to the unification, the unison phase and stage of the pure values of the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 2 with the transcendental values of Gyan, of Karam Sannyas Yoga of chapter 5 of the Gita. Likewise, up till Sutra 7, there is a sequential correlation of 1 space to 7 space with geometries of 1 space to the geometries of 7 space. And a step ahead, the 8th Sutra as well is having same sequential step ahead. One shall have a pause here. Our present day linear logic is having its halt at hyper circles 1 to 7 increase, but subsequent thereto there happens a decrease. How to transit? We have to transit from the linear logic itself. The Vedic systems are transiting from linear logic to the spatial logic. It is the logic of the creators of space. As such, one shall imbibe fully as that the basic inherent transition of the Vedic systems is that it is having a complete transition from the linear logic to a spatial logic. As such, the Vedic mathematics, Vedic system, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, Vedic way of approach to the existence phenomenon is of the spatial order of the creators of space. The single digit expressions of numerals 1 to 9 when transits and transforms into double digit expressions for values 1 to 9, then the value 9 as Sutra 9, when has its correlation with chapter 18, it amounts to a correlation between value 9 and 18, with 18 being double of the value of 9. It is this transition, it is this attainment, it is this halt of the spatial order which deserves to be comprehended well. Because of it, the Vedic systems have successfully transcended this very halt as well, and it in fact has transited fully from the spatial order to the solid order as well. So the Vedic system is a system which has the potentialities to transit from the spatial order creations of four space of four folds to transcendental origin of a solid order. It is this transition from the spatial order to the solid order which is to be learned, and for it, as we have an initiation for the correlation of Sutra 1 with Chapter 3, so at this phase and stage of Sutra 10, we will be having a correlation with Gita Chapter 1. See, it is this internal reversal of orientation for maintenance of a continuity, for transiting further from the spatial order to solar order, which is to be imbibed. It is this imbibing, it is this initiation phase and stage which deserves to be comprehended well. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sequentially be through this correlation and have its reach up till Sutra 16. In this correlation, it is going to be a pointed information as that chapter 8 and chapter 10 as such are not correlated with any single specific Ganita sutras. There are 16 sutras and there are 18 yoga disciplines. The Akshar Brahm Yoga of chapter 8 and Vibhuti Yoga of chapter 10 of the Gita as such are not correlated with any single sutra. However, the base of the mathematical domains, the foundation of the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras are the values of Akshar Brahm, chapter 8, and the base of the transcendental values of the yoga disciplines are the values of chapter 10. As such, when we shall be working out the applied values of the pure values of the Vedic mathematical domains, then these foundational base correlation features will be of great help to us. Therefore, the sadhakas shall begin with Ganita Sutra 1 as it is the source sutra. Ganita Sutra 1 is a scripture. It is a complete scripture. It is a complete mathematical domain. It is a source reservoir of values of Vedic mathematics. In fact, it is the source reservoir of the values of entire Vedic system. The text of Ganita Sutra 1, Ekadhikain Purvain, is a composition of 16 letters. These 16 letters are of Devanagari alphabet. These 16 letters are having inherent association with values and features of their respective placements in the Vedic alphabet, in Devanagari alphabet. On the computer screen is the tabulation. First row is a serial number, the second row is the letters, and third row is of TC value. The same is repeated again for the second formulation. These placements values of these letters are designated as their transcendental code values. Therefore, the first initiation step for being within the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras is going to be that there shall be a complete transition from the letters text to the numbers text of these Ganita Sutras. When this transition is had in respect of the text of Ganita Sutra 1, it shall be permitting their depiction in the form of two figurative representations, and it is in terms of these figurative values of these numbers letters that we shall be having a reach at the structural keys of 16 sutras. The first letter of Ganita Sutra 1 is the structural key of Ganita Sutra 1 itself, and this second letter of the text of Ganita Sutra 1 preserves the structural key of Ganita Sutra 2. The total TCV value of all the 16 letters of the text of Ganita Sutra 1 is 75. Therefore, our sequential organization table becomes of form following values table. In the first column is mentioned the Ganita Sutra. In second column is mentioned the respective parallel correlated Gita chapter, and the third column gives the structural key preserved in the sequential letters of the text of Ganita Sutra 1. Therefore, Ganita Sutra 1, having its correlation with Gita chapter 3, and the structural key is 6. Ganita Sutra 2 is correlated with chapter 5 of Gita, and the structural key is 4. Like that, we have a complete tabulation of correlation of the sutra with the respective chapter of Gita, and this correlation as well as the unfolding reach of the mathematical domain is to be in terms of its respective structural key. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity efforts to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to fully glimpse and imbibe this correlation of the yoga disciplines of Gita with Ganita Sutras and their respective structural keys. Once this correlation is printed well within the mind, one shall be having a blissful transition needed for being parallel with the Vedic systems. In this background, it is impressed that one shall glimpse and imbibe the different features of this sequential organization format. The first feature is that sum of the values 1 to 16 parallel with 16 Ganita Sutras comes to be 136. Sum of the values 1 to 7 and 10 to 16 of the text of Gita as chapters 1 to 18. Sorry, here in this here, the sum of values 1 to 7, and then it is to be 9, then it is to be 9 as well as 11 to 18. The chapter 8 and chapter 10 are not correlated, therefore values 8 and 10 are not to be taken up for their summation value. So here the entry shall be sum of values 1 to 7, then value 9, and then value 11 to 16, and finally the sum of the TC values, the Ganita Sutra 1, which comes to 75, and the total value of all these three ranges will be 364. The second feature to be imbibed well is that value 364 is equal to 383 minus 19, and value 19 is the TC value of Dhruv pole star. Further, value 383 is the value 283 plus 19 plus 81, and value 81 is equal to the summation value of the TC values of Prithvi, Apa, Agni, Vayu, Akash, and Surya. The third feature is that southern hemisphere is of value 19, while the transcendence from the transcendental origin as superimposition of solid order of the origin upon the spatial order of the domain comes to be 81. A step ahead, the fourth feature is that within 4 space, 2 space plays the role of a dimension. Quadruple spatial dimensions constitute a spatial dimensional frame of quadruple spatial dimensions of 4 space, making value 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16. The 5 space as origin is of a solid order, and superimposition of solid order upon the spatial order of the domain as such amounts to superimposition of value 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 81. The fifth feature is that hypercube of 4 is a 4 space content enveloped within solid boundary of 8 components, while the transcendental origin is enveloped within a creative boundary of 10 components. Therefore, the transition as such at the boundary is a transition from solid boundary of 8 components to the creative boundary of 10 components. As such, chapter 8 and chapter 10 of yoga disciplines of Gita are the foundational basis of the creative and transcendental values of the mathematical domain and the yoga disciplines. a step ahead when we will be having a glimpse and coordination of all these features. These will bring to focus as that value 16 is the value of the dimensional frame of force space. 700 is the value parallel with 700 shlokas of Gitas, and 284 is the value of the gaps of the respective ranges of shlokas. This makes value 1000, which is Sahastra, and the TCV Sahastra is equal to TCV Anand, and as such, this organization format is of potentialities to have exhaustive coverage for infinitely infinite solar universe and even any universe of any order, as the system as it is having its internal potentialities to adopt. This way we shall be having glimpse as to how the organization of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita as 700 shlokas of punctuations as 47, 72, 43, 42, 29, 47, 30, 28, 34, 42, 55, 20, 34, 27, 20, 24, 28, 78 is having gap values which are 31, 56, 85, and so on, and it comes to be 284. Therefore, sadhakas shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to glimpse and imbibe these values and features of these initiation letters and be blissfully confident for a takeoff to enter the Vedic mathematical domain as per the sequential organization format. And one can begin with Ganita Sutra 1 and have its correlation with Karma Yoga chapter 3, or other way around. One can begin with chapter 1 of the Gita having its correlation with Sutra 10. But both these processes are accepted processes. One is of Sankhya Nishtha and other is of a Yoga Nishtha. Sankhya Nishtha and Yoga Nishtha are pair of processing steps. This Sankhya Nishtha and Yoga Nishtha in a way is a transition from the numbers alphabet to the geometric alphabet. Beginning with Devanagari alphabet as letters alphabet, one is to transition, transform this letters alphabet into numbers alphabet, and a step ahead, this numbers alphabet as well is to be transited and transformed into the geometric alphabet. Wish you best of pilgrimage of Vedic mathematical domains. Thank you very much.